My name is Mayana. I'm in the Education and Human Services pathway at MHS. Education and Human Services is helping people, and that's what we all want to do. We're passionate about people and helping them. Today, we're learning about like colors and rainbows and stuff like that.
This is a STEM activity.
It's more hands-on, and then like we have to do like our non-dominant hand to see how the kids feel when they do it. It's pretty hard, but like now we understand like how they feel. Like they feel a little frustrated and stuff.
What is it? Fine motor.
I really love and enjoy working with kids, so every day I'm so excited to go in there and just learn more. I can't wait to go and like actually work with the students.
Could you teach this to them guys though?
Yeah. In this pathway, there would be apprenticeships and internships that we can get involved with. I think that's just very important because it just gives you a more like advanced step into like seeing if this is something you really want to do, and it's more of like a day in the life after you graduate here of what you will be doing. So I'm hoping after leaving MHS, I can work with kids who's been through like struggles and stuff throughout their life. I just want to go out and work with people and just like change someone's life.